We have some amazing deals on the last of our 2024 Indian motorcycles. This 2024 Indian Challenger looks amazing in titanium smoke and is priced at $23,284. Liquid-cooled, fixed fairing, and the king of the baggers. This 2024 Indian Pursuit Dark Horse features 122 horsepower, 3 ride modes, ABS, and looks beautiful in Springfield blue, now priced at $30,099. This 2024 Indian Scout Rogue 60 brings the heat with blacked-out styling, a quarter fairing, and a 60 cubic inch motor. Only one left at $11,831. Another nice Indian Pursuit Limited. This is an Icon series in copper metallic. The 7-inch touchscreen has the power band audio upgrade, comes with integrated navigation, Bluetooth, and USB. You get 35 gallons of storage and the limited model styling for only $31,389. At iMotorsports St. Pete, we include the 1 Million Mile Powertrain Warranty with every new Indian motorcycle we sell. Talk to us about our free nationwide delivery and our Fly and Ride program. We can offer you a one-way ticket to St. Pete, and you can ride your new motorcycle